The basic setup. The basic flasher setup on a scooter or motorcycle consists of battery, flasher, indicator switch and the bulbs. The basic setup modified to incorporate hazard light switch. The below diagram is self-explanatory. All you need to do is connect the wires as shown in the diagram. The blue and white wires are the output, while red wire is the input. The hazard light can be activated without switching on your indicators. Switch mounting locations. Shown below are some practical locations to install a switch. Each of them have pros and cons. It is a personal preference as to where you want to install a switch. You can check out the hazard light switch in action in the following video.